Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Jar of Pickles in Five Nights TD. This unique unit is a highly sought-after item in the game. It serves as an excellent range booster for your other towers, significantly extending their attack reach. Additionally, the Jar of Pickles provides a valuable slowing effect on enemies, helping you control the flow of the game. One of the main methods to obtain the Jar of Pickles is by earning it as a clan reward. This unit is often distributed to members of the most successful and highest-ranking clans in the game. To increase your chances, focus on joining a clan that consistently performs well in events and challenges, as their collective efforts can unlock this valuable item for all members. Another viable way to get your hands on the Jar of Pickles is through player-to-player trading. Given its status as a rare unit, be prepared to offer other highly valuable units or substantial in-game resources in exchange. Engaging with the game's trading community and understanding current market values will be key to making a successful trade for this powerful booster. Once you have the Jar of Pickles, strategic placement is crucial. This unit can provide an incredible range boost, sometimes extending a unit's reach by 150% or more, potentially covering the entire map. Position it near your primary damage dealers to maximize their effectiveness. The added slowing effect also provides excellent crowd control, making it a versatile and powerful addition to your defense.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.